Hello my dear friends, here's Mad Max again. Today with a short video about a small thing which can cause big problems. It only occurs if you open the tail cap, which you are not supposed to do because the tail cap assembly with the switch is not glued, and it's meant that you open the head or open the flashlight from the head to exchange the batteries. So if of any reason you really disassemble the tail cap, please pay attention that it's, as I said, not glued. So if you open it up and throw it down on the table, the pieces will fall out. And we found out that here on this small plastic part, this insulation, which is made of soft rubber, there is a piece, I will zoom in somehow now, there is a piece of hard rubber which is glued in there, but the glue doesn't stick very well. So this small, very small pallet, where do I have, yeah, you know, I have standard fingers. That's really small. If that gets loose, it happens that if you reassemble your tail cap assembly, the switch, put in the plastic, that's not the hard part. Just look, everything is sitting nicely centered. Then if you mount it back to the flashlight, this pallet is missing to activate the switch. You hear? You can squeeze the rubber, but it doesn't have enough force to activate the switch, so the flashlight seems broken, which is not, it's just missing a part. So to fix that, just let's do it that way. Just use that and replace this small thing here, possibly use some super glue. Man, that's hard looking at the video and manipulating here. So that's back in place. Drop it into the switch. Be carefully, it's nicely centered. Drop in the switch itself. I recommend holding it this way so it stays in position when you screw it on the tube. And now it clicks again. And let's try. Yeah, there it is. Again, it works. And I found another small thing. If the switch is not tightened enough, but in some kind of a funny state in between, you see, there is a momentary flicker in low. Don't be afraid, nothing is broken. It's just a small, really small turn is needed to make a proper connection, and then the flashlight works as intended. So, hope you have lots of fun with this great flashlight, and let me know if you want to see anything else. Bye bye.